Welcome to the most perfect sports in the world, Dambe Warriors. I'm your host, Tony Kuleke. Fighter in the yellow shirt, Shagon Bag on Yasanda up against Bila, the man on the faded grey jeans who just attempted the lead hook. Bag on Yasanda is representing House of Jamus, while Bila is from the House of Kudu. What in the Dambe stance is that Bila is doing? Both 19 years and same age group fit for this match. Final charge at each other, Yasanda's overhand. Beautifully done, but his overhand gets grabbed in to receive a lead hook from Bila. Yasanda stopped in the strikes with a hook. Both warriors going all in right now, but no impact if you ask me. Yasanda delivers 2 lead hooks and Bila returns and overhand. Ooh, no impact yet again, definitely going all in. Yasanda almost plunged into the seated fans there. Whoa! Steps back into the arena. Ready. Struts around and let's see if he can convert that energy into an actual win here. Moves around, receives the cash gift from fans. Dambe Warriors is the only sport in the world where this happens. Take it to the bank. The fighter stops in the mid game to get cash gifts, gyrate to the beating drums. Whoa. Energy. Dambe. Opening scene. Another round. Both continue to size each other up right now. Take a traditional Dambe stance. Flex position. Arms outstretched. Seems to be the best position for them. Both continue to look for blind spots of the opponent because you want to strike once and you want to strike fast and hard. Because the objective is always a knockout. One touch knockout. The Hausa commentator urges them to go for it. An attack and overhands, but no solid impact there. They try another one. Beautifully done. Nice. Bila trust on the Patron and never have. Yasanda keeps coming up, and Bila almost tripped there. Whoa! Bila goes back in. Bila swung and Pakoko hits the target there. Whoa! They get deep into the Warriors fighting corner. We'll have to break up that round. Both fighters are brave enough to go at each other. Yasanda struts to the musicians, back into the arena. Bila already saluting the crowd, shows his gratitude to have graced this arena. Seems like an exhibition match, and they will make room for other warriors. So right now, all you need to do is that if you don't subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell icon, how will you watch that moment when Bahagon Abba got knocked out? You need to stay tuned for the next match coming your way. And as we always say, the feast of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.